think it was Russ was talking about it. His brand almost is independent. He spent a long time just making music. And I think he's a good example of doing it yourself, but doing it properly yourself. He, produced a lot of his tracks. He really learned it. And he spent, I think it was 10 years before he got proper success. But he was consistent, and he had the plan, and he had the long-term plan especially. He wasn't just thinking, oh, what's going to happen in 6 months? I don't know. He had an idea of why he was doing what he was doing. It was all for a reason. Whereas a lot of people that just drop don't have that North Star or that real end goal. It's almost, the thought process is almost, I'm just going to do this because a lot of other people are doing it, and I hope that it pops off. It's the same way of someone advertising their song and just standing in their kitchen and lip syncing it and then posting that and then doing that again the next day, doing something similar but different the next day. Like, what's the point? Why are you doing this? Why is your kitchen lip sync video gonna get fans? Like, what is it gonna bring to your image?
What's the project? What's the end game?
Yeah. And if I kind of think that type of marketing and if you're an independent musician, everyone's doing that right now.